and some change since God told me like to stop writing. And now he's allowed me to start writing again. Amen. So I just want to praise God. And this poem is called PTSD because in that season was a very dark season, and he broke me down to build me up. So, yeah.
Wow. That's all right. Yes.
A bomb went off. Not a physical one, but a metaphorical one. And now everyone around me is in danger. I think I have PTSD. People telling my stuff disorder, my is silent. Okay, I get it. Well, maybe I don't. Actually, now I understand. Wrong again? Maybe it's crap. Actually, I don't know. Can you help me? I can't. That was the answer? The whole time? The answer was I can't, but you can, and now you want us to have PTSD? People telling your stuff disorder? The your is silent. At least for a long time you were. I sent a lot of cries up. I guess it was long distance. The connection was off. I couldn't hear you well. Everything else was so much louder. I wanted to hear you, but I couldn't get it quiet enough. I couldn't get it pretty enough. I tried to offer up these bless yous, but you wasn't doing what I wanted. Wasn't that the point? You died to give me access. Well, you see my bank account. You see what I'm going through. I called out and your timing wasn't fast enough, so I gained a new PTSD. Personally, my trust stopped disorder. The my was the problem. My vision was too screwed. My faith was as big as the disappointment I faced. Lord, I trusted you, and honestly, I didn't care about the process because my feelings are valid. My hurt is real, and boom, the bomb went off, and I realized the danger. The walls I built for safety became my cage, and he reminded me the PTSD. People telling his stuff, duh, and the his is now emphasized, so I'm going to tell you the stuff. The stuff is that every teacher is silent during the test, and that tests come to produce endurance, and endurance perfects your faith. So beloved, you are being made perfect. You just need a vision check. It's not about the storm, but about the rain that causes you to grow. Don't focus on the thunder. It's just loud for no reason. The stuff is that there is a process, and God is not your genie. His stuff is that he has a plan and a kingdom plan, and he's offering you the opportunity to partner with him. Stop looking down at the problem, but look up to the solution. And then after you get it, then go. Right. Tell the stuff. Wow. Tell the good news about that man. That man that takes your stuff and makes it his stuff, and be still, knowing that he cares more about your stuff than you do. Have you caught it yet? Friday, it was finished. Saturday was the process. Today, he is seated. His death wasn't access for me. It wasn't access for things. It was access for many. For you. For freedom. Because a bomb went off. Not a physical one, but a spiritual one. And now, everyone around me is in danger.